Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial again. So basically right here I'm just taking the wig off that I installed in my last video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it because it was a good install. Oh, and thank you for coming back. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. And if you're old, like I said, thank you for coming back. Keep watching my videos because they're gonna keep coming. And so right here I'm just taking down my old braids because I had them braids in for a long time and my hair just needed a break from braids right now. So what I actually did, I just slicked my hair back and put the cap on it. I didn't even braid no more. And of course this wig is from Amazon, and it will be linked in my description and my Amazon storefront. When I tell y'all this hair is so soft, and then it's true to length, like that's really 26 inches. So right here I had to take the wig off. Loosen the scraps because I got a big head. And then y'all, this man always interrupted my videos.
Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's your sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my haters to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon, but just like Oklahoma, mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these walking around like they ain't losers. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for.
Now I'm just putting makeup around the cap so the cap won't be showing through the wig lace, if that makes sense, because the cap is lighter than my skin. And y'all, I rolled that wig cap back because I don't like doing a bald cap method. I think it's just a waste of time, to be honest. But you just put the glue above your hairline, like I always do. So this is the first layer of glue. Once I put my first layer of glue on and it dries, I'm gonna start with my second layer. I always put more than one layer of glue for your hair to stick, bro. Because if you don't, it's not gonna stick. It's not gonna last for a week or so. So after all the glue is dry, I just took the wig and put it on the place that I want the hairline to start. And I just take the comb and go in and press down on the lace so all the lace can lay flat to my head. I cut mine to 3 parts because it's easier to cut the lace when it's sectioned off. Now I'm just gonna start cutting the lace.
Shawty rock to the beat for your boy. Shawty, yeah, ooh, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer, killer. Shawty flap it, shawty tight it, should skate it, all night it.
And y'all see how ashy that hairline is? Nah, we gotta fix it. So I just took some makeup and put it around the lace. And then once I take the makeup and put it around the lace, I'll take some sprints and spray around it so the makeup can blend with the lace.
When she me, hard as a rock when she me, you know, cause she would've loved me. What it is, what it ain't, tell me what to do. I know I'm late, but destiny brought me back to you. I must have turned you into a butterfly. I had to say hello, tell your nigga goodbye. It was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was Tanya, it was Monique, it was easy, it was Kiki. Hey, now to see you at 23, all I can say is man, tell 'em. Shorty right there, shit. Shorty is shit. Yeah, shorty is shit. Shorty you the shit. Oh yeah, she fine, shorty a dime. You should tip her. You should tip her. You should girl, and you love her. You should tip her. You should tip her. She fix you eggs and grits in the morning. Man, you should tip her.
Now that the lace is blended, I'm just pulling some hair out to do my edges.
Signals while you slow down, don't stop, it's green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you won't get aggressive. Ooh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over, got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. But rather we never pick up, but can we slip up and mix up sometimes? You say it don't mean it, just want it when it's convenient. Am I crazy for waiting on my slide? Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm on to the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me bleed? Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back.
And then he came back again. Like, dang, if you want to be in one of my videos, just say that, bro. Cause look at him. Why are you? What are you doing? The definition of slow. Like, get out. Look at my face.
You show me I don't want to rewind. Yeah. No, you a 10, but that attitude ain't fine.
It's so big, word, Lord, have mercy.
I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All those love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get up close to me. I can teach you the perfect. Why you looking at me like I don't really know choice? If I go quick, beg you be on your knees. You like God.
Right here, I wanted to do 2 braids going to the back, but it didn't come out how I wanted it to come out. So I just took it down.
I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All those love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get up close to me. I can teach you a couple things. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All those love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get up close to me. I can teach you a couple things. How to surf a man, how to work a man. It's on purpose, I'm doing it big. Body language like speaking Spanish, I'll educate you how to do this shit. Temporary, that's temporary, I'm necessary, I am that blue. You can't get this thing, this body. He say he like that laffy, he's so goofy, call me daddy. He goes goofy, he go daffy, introduce me to his baby. He can never live without me, I'm so real, I never grabbing. If he got it like that, I can take it back. That's my
So big, word,
Lord have mercy. I keep pausing like I do. I do keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All those love emojis, you can get up in between. Trying to get up close to me. I can teach you a couple things. I keep pausing like I do. I do keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All those love emojis, you can get up in between. Trying to get up close to me. I can teach you a couple things. I'm so cozy.
Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And be on the lookout for more videos.